Hey, what's up? I'm seriously excited to show you a piece of camping gear that might just change the way you think about tents. I'm talking about the TAILI inflatable blow-up tent. I have tested all type of tents from pop-up to traditional, but after trying this thing out, I'm surprised. We're going to put it through its paces, so get ready for a tent that promises instant setup, spacious comfort, and surprising durability. Let's get into it.
We're going to try to set up this tent in less than 90 seconds, and I'm going to show you the process. Step number one, take it out of the bag and just extend it into the floor. Here is the pump that it's included. We have the stakes, we have the poles, and we have the tarp. Step number two, grab 4 stakes and set them up in each corner of the tent. And now, third and last step, you just have to set up your pump and let it do its thing.
No pulse, no struggling, frustration-free.
I'm telling you, this is a game changer. Think about arriving at a campsite late, in the dark, or in the rain. This thing, it's a lifesaver. Compared to wrestling with poles, this is a hassle-free experience.
And that's how you set up your tent in less than 90 seconds.
But what about durability? I know what you're thinking. It's inflatable, it can pop. But check this out. These air columns are seriously tough. They are puncture resistant. You really have to try to damage these and they will not be destroyed by the elements. And once it's fully inflated and staked down, this thing is rock solid. I'm shaking it pretty hard here and it's not going anywhere. These sturdy stakes and the design of the air columns create a really stable structure even in wind. Now let's talk about space. This is a 3 to 4 person model. As you can see, it's pretty roomy. I can easily stand up and there's plenty of space for sleeping bags, gear, and even some games if you're stuck inside a rainy day. And check this out, storage pockets. Perfect for keeping your phone, a book, or other small essentials organized off the floor.
This tent is perfect for families, couples, or even solo campers who likes a little extra room. Whether you're on a road trip, at a festival, or even you're having just a camping night in your backyard, these tents will provide you all what you need.
Ventilation is key in any tent, and the TAILI doesn't disappoint. It's got 2 large doors and 4 windows, all with mesh screens. The breathable fabric and the multiple openings ensure excellent airflow so you won't wake up in a stuffy, humid tent. And if you're camping somewhere with a great view, these transparent windows let you enjoy it without even leaving your tent. Now let's talk about the elements. This tent is made with waterproof fabric so you don't have to worry about getting soaked in a downpour. See how the water just beats up and rolls off. The seams are also sealed, so you're well protected. And it's not just about the rain. The material is also UV resistant, which is crucial for those sunny days at the beach or camping grounds. It will keep you cool and protected from the harsh sun.
Just as important as the setup is the takedown. And guess what? This is just as easy.
You just open the valves and it deflates in about 20 seconds. Then you just fold it up and it fits right back into this carrying bag. And the best part, it's lightweight and easy to carry. I can easily carry this myself and fits perfectly in the trunk of my car. This tent is ready for any adventure from weekend camping trip to a cross-country road trip.
So, who is this tent perfect for? It's pretty versatile. It's fantastic for campers and hikers who want a quick, easy setup. families needing a spacious and comfortable shelter, festivals goers, road trip enthusiasts who value portability and convenience, and of course, camping in the backyard lovers who are looking for a fun and easy outdoor escape. Even emergency preparedness planners who want a quickly deployable shelter. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the TAILI inflatable tent. It's fast, durable, spacious, weather-resistant, and incredibly easy to use. So, are you ready to ditch the poles and embrace the inflatable revolution? Check out the TAILI inflatable tent.